All right, guys. 97 Toyota 4Runner, 4-wheel drive, 3.4, cat back, straight pipe. Doesn't have the 12 wides anymore. Someone's coming by on a 4-wheeler. And so yeah, we're gonna do a little exhaust check. Exhaust is all rusted up. Temporary hangers up there. So it's part of the exhaust off the 99 Cadillac that I parted out. It's like a 2.5-inch exhaust. So this 4Runner hasn't been cranked in 3 months probably. So I don't even know if the battery's still good. We'll find out in a second though. Hopefully y'all enjoy.